Hey everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Cooking with BigDre. Tonight on the menu, we're having smothered chicken thighs. Yes, smothered in some onions and some peppers and that nice thick gravy. Yes, that's what we're going with this one, you know. So if you like smothered chicken, stick around. You know what you're doing. You're cooking with BigDre. Hey, before we leave, if you're liking the content in these videos that I'm making, please make sure you hit the like button and share. And also, you can go over to my YouTube channel that I have, and you put in Cooking with BigDre, and you'll see the page. Make sure you go and subscribe and share as well. All right? You know what you're doing. You're cooking with BigDre. Here's a couple of the components that are going into the smothered chicken. I got our chicken thighs here. The chicken thighs I've had seasoned, and they've been marinating since yesterday in the refrigerator. But I did take them out a little while ago and just had them get up to room temperature, because it's never good to cook anything straight out of the refrigerator and right into a saute or frying pan. That's never good. Okay. We have our green peppers, we have our onions, and we have our celery over here. We have our seasoned flour right here, and the seasoning that I used in the flour is the same seasons that I used on the chicken. So, without further ado, let's get into this smothered chicken. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our pan going. Put a little bit of oil in there. Okay, just enough to cover the bottom to brown the chicken. That's all we're doing, is browning the chicken, and plus a little bit of the oil. That's going to help with the gravy as well. So we're going to get this up to heat, and we're going to get our chicken dredged, and let's get it frying. Okay, let's get our chicken dredged and into our frying pan here, our saute pan. Okay. We just want to get a light coat on there, basically. You don't want to like batter it, because we're not like, deep frying it. Always start out skin side down. Okay, we want to give it at least about 2 minutes on each side before you turn them. Okay, let that side get browned up a little bit. Okay, now that it's browned on both sides, I'm going to take this off the heat. And again, the chicken does not have to be cooked all the way through right now, because we're going to simmer it. Okay, I've added a little bit of butter right to our pan with our the chicken drippings from what we sauteed. Everything's going in, all our vegetables. We're going to let these go for a little bit. Okay, now that the vegetables have softened up a little bit, now that leftover flour that we've dredged our chicken in, we just put like a tablespoon or so in there. Get that all mixed up. You want to get that flour, raw flour taste off of it. You just let it cook for a little bit. Right now, that's done. We'll put your stock in, your chicken stock. Now that that's simmering, you're going to add your chicken right back in. Just let that just simmer away. Maybe about 30, maybe 40 minutes. Just let it simmer. Here we have it. Smothered chicken. Alright, let's get this stuff plated up and ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed doing that smothered chicken with me, because I did enjoy it again. Everybody, like I said before, if you like the content of these videos, make sure you like and share the videos, and also go over to my Facebook page, look up Cookin with BigDre, and you'll see the page. Make sure you subscribe and share. Thank you so much. You have a good night. God bless.